What is up, Go Fam? You already know I'm out here. Right now I'm by myself. I'm on the motorbike with the Crocs and all that. Yeah, I bought 2 pairs and I'm gonna buy more too. Watch. Crocs gonna change the game soon. Watch. Crocs, hit me up. Let's work. You hear me? Watch. Everybody gonna start wearing them soon, no lie. But right now I'm about to go to the motorcycle shop or the moped shop to go meet Tweet, A-Rad, Chris. I don't even know who else. I think it's just them 3, but I'm about to go meet them. He just called me and said, yo, would you get a Grom or a moped and blah, blah. I was like, all right, flip, I ain't gonna do my shopping over the phone. I'm about to come there. So I'm about to go to that motorcycle shop or moped shop, my fault. I'm about to go there now. I'm gonna start it back up when I get there. Let's see what they talking about. I don't even know who about to get a bike. Let's go see them. This joint, I don't even know where it's at. Guess up over here? Oh, no. Oh yeah, just over here and all. He out here on the desert bike and all that. Okay, Tyrone, no panic.
I got a question. Will you spend extra $100 for a Grom?
All right, yeah. Let's go see what they talking about. Hold on.
What? But the title will come back like 2-3 days.
Wait, what happened now? What's the verdict?
The Grom is like 25, 26. Moped like 24.
This the moped he about to get?
Yeah, that's all shitty.
Nah, that joint are just the color is terrible.
Yeah, mopeds though. Moped.
All right, let's go see the Grom now.
Come here without mask.
Huh?
Take one over there.
Corona mask? Where they at? Oh.
Where it is?
Gotta put the Corona mask on. Let's go see the Grom.
$25.99 or $2,500?
Ew. I don't know.
That's great.
Can you test ride it?
No.
Nah.
Oh, that's
And I gotta wait for the paperwork, bro. That's doing too much.
Ew, this don't feel cheap.
As soon as you fall, that's everything.
Yeah, everything breaking. Nah, I'd rather get the moped.
Is that?
Hoagie. Yeah, it is
And they
funny.
gonna take the John off and make it faster.
This joint hoagie. Let me see.
Heaviest.
No, this one not heavy, but nah. Lemon. Damn, that throttle got a lot of.
I still bought a Grom.
Nah. Bro, if he fall on this,
I'm gonna have to pay more than I paid for that for the
never the 87. Or told you to put okay,
cash
Tyrone.
out, man.
Okay. Nah, yeah, that joint do though. They is tripping. They got a whole KTM Supermoto right here. And they're worrying about mopeds? Oh yeah, they got the Supermoto right here. Hey, tripping, how much is this joint? I'm about to cop. How much is this? Chris, you better get this. You tripping.
What?
How much?
Bro, stop getting a moped. Get it.
How much?
26. You about to buy a moped
Yeah,
for
you
25.
tripping. I would straight cop this KTM
And the crazy
Dookie.
thing is, oh shit, my phone won't unlock up.
Yeah, I'll definitely get the KTM.
Crazy thing
Wait,
is,
this one got electric start too?
you know my
Thank-
mom came here for that in the Grom?
Earlier, you see the white and blue jump?
Yeah.
I tried to start it. It said, bro, I pulled the key. It kept trying to start. I took the key out, turned the bike off. Still kept trying to start. Still kept trying to start. I'm walking. I'm like, yo, the key's in my hand. Like, why the bike still trying to start? He talking about something. Oh man, give me it.
Started?
No,
Or
bro, it
Hoagie?
wouldn't start. It took him 5
Hoagie?
minutes to get it turned back off.
Hoagie. What is these joints though?
Pop one about one of these jumps.
Bro, they got a whole lot of hoagie-ish in here, for real. But they're taxing. They probably went like 3K for this.
You know, like 26, 25.
When he get his hoagie thing, they gotta do something to it. I don't flipping know. But look at Tyrone Jones, don't even start. Hoagie. Hoax. Whoa. Let's see how fast my Jones start. Let's see if it's one pedal. Well, not one pedal, but yeah, you know what I mean. Yes, sir. Here. What? Why? I was trying to make a vlog out of it. Come on, always trying to take the cheap way out. Oh shoot, I grabbed the clutch. I don't think I ever did that. You don't want no smoke. You don't want no smoke. You don't want no smoke. No breaking all that. Oh, hold on. You don't want no smoke. Oh. Young boy, he was supposed to change the joint today. That's what I came here for. Cause my back rim is on his bike. His back rim is on my bike. But I'm no, cause I got that $40 sprocket. I need that. Wrong with you.
That joint $40?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not doing it to you. Send me the link.
All right, so now we out front of my mom's. Tweet about to change the back rim. We're waiting for Tyrone to come back with the extension joint now, and he gonna change the back rim. Tweet, you feel like changing the tire too, or nah? Not right now. Yeah, we'll do that another day because I don't even feel like waiting for that. I just want to see how that ting gonna ride with just the change on. But let's hope the chain fit. Last time, did you even see if it fit? Because Zaire was talking about that chain was too short.
No, the other chain was short.
No, I don't think it is too long though, because last time me and
look.
last time me and what's his name did it, Lonnie, we just forgot to put the joint up.
Now let me show you this. See how big this sprocket is?
Yeah.
See how small that sprocket is?
Yeah,
that chain's gonna be longer.
No, we finna see. Even though I said this before, and last time I didn't even vlog it, because after I ate, my stomach was bubbly, so I didn't even vlog that. But I'm finna vlog it today. Let's hope that we get this thing to work today. Look at this kid.
Dickhead. Dumb as shit.
Young boy has school today and all that. How was school?
You dumb as shit, young boy.
How was school? How was school?
I ain't have school.
Yeah, he has school and all that. Young boy's sick.
How is it gonna fit?
But Tweet about trying to get the joint to fit. And Zaire, I mean, he was waffling last time talking about this side wasn't fitting. How wouldn't this side fit if that was the side of... Alright, we finna see. Look how you walking. Your force is already yellow.
Yeah, cause my fucking school.
Alright, so what's the point of walking like that?
School, huh?
Right, I thought you ain't have school.
You got
He said, I'll be back. But he got the big collective gloves on and all that. Wait, what you say about them joints?
Them joints grippy-ish. He did this joint, I was pulling him in a dirt bike.
Right. Eesh.
Yo, Ryan, I need a pair.
Go watch that last video. That last video was crazy. But yo, I ain't gonna lie, I be having so many videos to upload, I just don't be editing them. That's why I just post every other day.
All them joints be different days too.
Right. Like today, hold on.
Today
For
probably,
instance,
today,
video. No, it's not. Today is July 7th. This video will probably be up
July 18th.
October 18th.
no cap, probably like
September.
July 20th, somewhere around there.
September 12th.
Maybe after.
September 12th.
So he got that little toggy thing. Oh, what the flip did I just say? I said toggy ting. He got that little toggy ting on there right now. Look at the chain drunk ting. But look at the matching rims, the matching tires.
Yeah.
This back tire fresh.
Wow.
I'm gonna change it back to the Maxes. Just
Yeah, they're going back on my
just not right now. Yeah, you can buy them. This look like free offer up.
This is my labor.
Tweet got the job done already. Okay, Tweet. Okay. Well, look at this. Look at my spark plug though. Sheesh. Soggy. Okay, we finna see how fast this thing go now.
You people ain't trying to see the soggy before I did?
It's supposed to go faster with that sprocket, so we finna test it out. Whenever this get done, huh?
That's a whole cat.
Now John burn up that hoagie you got. It already burned this up.
This?
Burnt that up.
I be burning his joint up every day.
Oh, Tweet.
I be burning you up on the trip.
Oh.
I burn you up.
He probably looking like.
All right, so Tweet just got done putting the chain and all on the sprocket. Well, the sprocket and all been on, but he forgot to put the spark plug in. Look, he's he was trying to get. How you was gonna start it?
Sorry as shit, where the plug at?
It's up there. Yo, that was hilarious. Wait, where the drone at? They go on top of the spark plug.
Right there.
Where? Oh, I didn't even peep it. I was about to say, whoa there. But look, that thing on there. Let's see how fast it go now. You think it's gonna go faster, Tweet?
A little bit.
Either way, he's gonna burn up your scooter, so. Cause he used to burn it up with the other Jones. So what you think? What you think this ting gonna do?
I think this ting about to come back off because you talking shit.
Why is it gonna come off?
Cause I'm gonna take it off because you talking shit.
Oh, alright, yeah. You see that? They be mad. I be burning them up.
New spark plug though.
Go get one.
I'll use this.
You gotta turn the gas on. Go ahead, go test it out. Put the GoPro on. About to see how this joint is with the new joint on there. That joint looks like it's wow. That joint looks loose as ever. I don't know if it's going fast or not. I don't know. Might be, it might not be. Nah, this one go a little bit faster. Oh, these brakes got loose as ever. I'm gonna take it on Grace Ferry to see how fast it go. Oh, the cop won't cut me off though. But I think the joint loose. The joint that holds the chain, that joint moving. And the chain feel like it's like wobbling back and forth. Sweet worm mechanic, I tell you. And this joint need a spark plug too. I showed you earlier, that thing black. Yeah, that joint definitely loose. Chain all wobbling. I'm gonna see if Zaire will change my tire for me. Yo, he didn't even turn his turn signal on. Stupid ass. Yeah, this joint takes forever to build up speed though. That's a bit doo-doo. I should have went up on the sprocket. I shouldn't have went down. This joint don't feel like it's going faster. I ain't gonna lie. I think it's because of that. Because 1 minute ago, then it's like blah, blah, blah. I don't know if you hear it, but I hear it. I don't know. Let me go try to tighten this joint up. And then I'm going to test ride it again. What? Sound like something loose. I don't know. Let me see. Did it even tighten the rim? I just tightened that joint though. So let's see if it goes faster or not. Let's see. This don't feel hokey with the new sprocket. I ain't going this high. This don't feel hokey. Oh. Yeah, this don't got the power like it used to. Chris got a new scooter. They test ride now, as you saw earlier in the vlog. Well, I didn't get the whole going, but when we was at the scooter shop, I keep saying Tweet. Chris got a new scooter. He got a Buddy 50. They probably about to go fill that thing up for him. That's my boy Christian. No, that might not. Nah, yeah, it is. That joint brand new. I thought, cause I had license plate on it, so I'm like, hold on. But nah, that joint definitely is. But look, it's showing doo-doo now though, look. Look at that. Ew. No. I mean, it probably is faster, but it takes way longer to build speed now. That's a bit doo-doo. And it's not even that much faster. Yeah, this one is poop. I'm gonna try to go farther, but this one doo-doo. Yeah. Yeah, the other sprung are way better. Got it. It takes so long to build up. That's doo-doo. But I feel like some like hitting against here, like back there. I don't know what it is, but it's like dirt. Is this your roof or something? I don't know. Yeah, this don't feel doo-doo. I'm about to let Zaire ride it. Let's see what he thinks about it. YouTube.
Gotta tighten that brakes and all that. Weird. Alrighty.
Everyone left. It's just the Imbos on the block. Zaire and all, they went to the scooter shop to go get Tweet scooter. I mean, why do I keep saying Tweet Chris scooter? But it's starting to rain a little bit. It looks like a little sun shower. Hopefully it stops so I can be out though. So they still ain't even come back. I'm just here with my niece Demi mobbing near me. But I'm about to just go home. But as you can see, oh, I think I hear them now. Hey, y'all, I was just about to go home. Oh, they just turned the corner. Oh yeah, they outside mobbing. Oh, they're probably at Arabs. I'm tapped. But as you can see, this is the new sprocket. It's supposed to make it faster, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the sprocket too much. It feels weird. So I might order a bigger sprocket and have to order a bigger chain. Oh, that thing's hot. Have to order a bigger chain also, but I need to get gas. Even though that's way off subject, but I do need gas. And then they said I need to change my spark plug. But yeah, I don't know why, but this joint don't run fast. I was supposed to. Go to Arab block. Look, this joint is holy. Look, that joint like stuttering. Oh. Yeah, this joint doo-doo with this sprocket. Still get busy with it, I guess, but it's doo-doo with it. Yeah, this joint definitely got no power. But bro, it feels like something like wobbling. I don't know. Over. It is outside on the edge. Okay, Chris, throw that drone up. Throw that joint up. Throw the joint up. Word, that thing's smoking. Oh, he can't even start it. Oh, he was supposed to throw that joint up. He was supposed to throw it up.
That's it.
But they don't do need gas too. Gotta fill it up. I don't know what Tweet did. Told you now. Can't see that. Hold on, with the flip. Okay. No, I don't need the receipt. Hold on, I need to take this one out. Fill this thing up. The other gas station I put $1 in, it didn't fool it. I don't remember which vlog, but yeah, it didn't fill it at all. I just put $1 in there and it filled it right up this gas station. Oh, dead. That's why you need socks on your motorbike, 2-stroke, period. All right, it's at 3. I don't even know. I guess put 1, 1.5 maybe. A little tiny bit more. A little bit more. Alright, that's enough. Oh, I need that too, man. But yeah, to be honest, I don't like it with this sprocket. This don't feel weird as flip. It don't feel like it ride right. Well, this chain is actually loose. Look, oh my God. He was supposed to pull the rim. Oh, dang. He was supposed to pull the rim all the way back and then do the chain. Them boys tapped up. Oh, yeah. When I was just pedaling, that joint was like pop, pop. Oh. Got gas all over me. Dead. I heard them beeping their horns. Mix this ting up. Little soggy ting. Mix it up. This chain feels like it's about to pop. This don't sound soggy. I need a spark plug, so yeah, let's go. I need one though. They riding nuts for fun. What's up with you? Oh, double. Oh, look at that helicopter. The helicopter on us. Go straight. They said go to auto zone. I'm gonna try to turn. I don't know. This hill might be faster, but I don't know. This hill was fast regular, but it is getting bony. You about to blow that joint up. Trying to raise this guy. Oh, look at that hole. Oh. This gas thing is split. Sweet got this. Oh, no panic. Sweet doing slow as ever though. Oh. Word. That thing might have blew. What? Never! They're not even social distancing. Worming. We is outside mobbing. My kill switch button English. So I'm sorry, they don't even got a spark plug for this joint. Hopefully this joint don't bog out on me or something. 'Cause this spark plug is dungeon. Where are we going? Oh, I guess we outside. Look how slow this joint start off that way. What the flip? Took me. Sheesh. I gotta put the Maxes back on the back too. Jeez, he got windy. He off his tube. What's up with you? Real boy tripping. Oh no! You better chill. Oh, my whole gas joint leaking. It's all leaking all over. Unreal. Now we got, now we about to go to Pep Boys to see if they got a spark plug for this joint. I need to get a new gas cap too, but this joint's wrong. I need a whole gas tank that stays on here. Fuck, oh my god. Oh shoot. Watch it, buddy. I would get some halal food, but I got some good old chicken wings waiting for me at home. Oh, and a cheeseburger. You better not move. Oh my god, this show keep moving. Dumbass, come on. They're gonna tell you put a mask on. Better put your shirt over.
I'm gonna talk some bullshit about no mask on service or some shit. Excuse me, do you sell gas caps?
Behind the park counter. Have to go back to the counter.
Okie dokie.
My grandma gas cap.
Come on, that's my gas cap. Fuck you talking about. So now if we find it better, John, I need that.
Finding the green light and the green light and go.
What?
Must just buy this toaster.
Right, I do need that, John. How much is it?
$40.
Doing I got everything though.
Got extension, wrenches, screwdrivers, Allen keys, and noodle pliers and cutter.
They spreaded that joint out so it made it look like more. Same fucking one right here for 30.
That's the one Fat got.
For
They
$25.
don't got these though.
Yeah, air blast on my fucking tools.
Fuck that. Down here.
They try for that's the money.
No, they probably don't want no steal that joint. Damn, what was the spark plug?
What's going on, guys?
What's up?
Gas cap?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of, what's it for?
Scooter.
Yeah. Now I got gas caps for cars.
You know them type though? Like any type of them?
These types now.
It won't work. Any cap you got?
The average cap I got looks like this. Looks like your body.
Oh shit.
Way too big.
Well, it'll probably fit. Just slide it through.
Chicken nugget.
Just slide it through.
Is that?
I get chicken nugget.
Do you got B8HS spark plug?
B8HS?
Yeah.
What's that for?
Can I get a chicken nugget?
For ooh.
Yeah.
Can I get a chicken
Why didn't
nugget?
you bring it?
Look at the rims on that.
Right here.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Uh,
I thought you guys. I'm sorry.
No, you go to McDonald's with that kind. Can I take a nugget?
How many you need?
huh?
How many you need?
One.
One.
Matter of fact, give me 2 of them.
Can I take a nugget?
Young boy.
See, I'm gonna break the garbage right now.
You won't. Ooh.
Start to connect this one to you.
There you go.
Oh, fat. They got the Jones you can.
Sorry about that, buddy.
Oh, for the 65.
Skinny. Skinny.
For the gloves.
Boom gang. Boom gang.
They're like $3 a piece.
Yeah. I'm gonna pay with cash.
I'm bigger now, I ain't. Hey, what you say? Like, I've been thinking now, I ain't. Sire, what you say, Sire? Like, I've been thinking now, I ain't.
I'm all scattered.
$4.75.
Damn, cheap ass spark plug. My shit like $3 just for one.
Where the fuck you go to get a spark plug?
Here. Marker's there.
Huh? Huh? Oh, that's sick.
You stop taking nugget.
I've been thinking now, I ain't. Like, I've been thinking now, I ain't. No, Chris, different. Come on.
I'm taking nugget.
I've been thinking now, I ain't.
You standing behind me for it like that, you know?
I ain't taking nugget.
So you're not looking for anything from him.
Can I get a taking nugget?
Oh, that was sick. Woo! Bitch, burn! Yo, A-Rap really act like that joint street legal. Right. Huh?
He talking about some old head in the truck. I thought you know not to fuck old heads in the truck. I said, if these are very big, I got scared. He said Rex didn't bitching. He said he just let Rex talk his shit.
Hold that. Even notice I was just recording the whole time, but as you just saw, I just got a spark plug. Bro, why he hating? Why he hating? Which one faster?
Oh yeah, you'll get burnt up though.
Alright, but you want to get burnt up and William? Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah, you don't got me. You don't got me. I'll bring you the fuck up too. Stop talking. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Everybody, bro, you been scared at everybody, bro. You been scared at
My clutches is done. That's a bad joint. That should not even be moving when that's even. That's a bad joint. Tweet said he gonna try to fix it, but that's a bad tink. Look at that. Man. We outside the police station. No panic. Oh, look at this hole in the ground. A-Rap was just in front of me. Zaire and Chris was just behind me. I don't know where the flip they went at. I don't know what bull waffling about. car. David just brake checks it. This one is a bit faster, it just takes more time to speed up though. I wonder how fast it goes. Oh, I'm gonna just bend that corner so I won't get smacked. I'm driving. Bend the corner there. This kid always breaking something. Look at him. Look at him. What happened?
Good luck.
How?
I was digging it, just blow. He's like,
probably a spark plug.
no, this jump.
Oh my god! Sheesh! You gotta tighten it.
Now you got all of these?
Damn!
I was about to get fucking smacked at the.
Sheesh!
I started bitch. I'm like, oh shit.
That thing done.
I need weak as shit.
No, I tightened that. I ain't gonna lie.
Then you weak as shit too?
No, that joint was tightened. Earlier it was even tightened. That joint just, I don't
Not
know.
tight, nigga. Look at this boat right here.
Bro, that joint was tightened, I'm telling
That boat uneven, this boat uneven.
you. It don't gotta be even, you just gotta tighten it. Go find Allen keys right now. Flunk. Alright, go fam, I'm about to go home now. I finally put the sprocket, well, the whole rim on it, period. Finally put it on, but it's not what I thought it. I thought it was gonna be way faster. But yo, that joint look like it's about to land. But I don't think Tweet did something right, because something feel like rocky or something. I don't know, it feel weird. But Sair back there, he on the seat too. I'm about to go home. So go fam, this is the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Go get the merch, link in the description. Go watch this full video, uncut version, link in the description. One Way Corey Uncut. Go subscribe to Sair's channel, link in the description. But you know the vibes, go fam. We out. Yes, sir.